The American Catholic Historical Society welcomes you to the Barry Award. Since 1982, the award, named in honor of Commodore John Barry, the father of the American Navy, has been presented in Philadelphia to individuals who, by their character, their significant service to the community and the Catholic Church, and their professional accomplishments, merit the Society's premier recognition. Among those honored, philanthropists, titans of industry, educators, and clerical leaders of the Catholic Church. Tonight, we honor the son of Cuban immigrants who found their doorway to a new life in Miami. Their faith-filled desire set them on a path due north. With their Catholic faith as their true north, they helped to cultivate in their son a ministerial calling that has brought him to the doorstep of the Archdiocese of Philadelphia, and tonight brings him to the doorway of this room.